It's basically looking at the on-chain transactional usage information. So not just how many people are trading this cryptocurrency back and forth, but how many people are actually using the cryptocurrency for what it was built for.
Hi, I'm Ross Gates from Alpha Growth. We're here at Block World 2018, and I'm here with Autumn from Rootmont Research, who's building a platform to improve trading investment. Autumn, can you tell me about your platform?
So basically, we're a quantitative analysis research firm, and we help investors, both personal and institutional, really get to the deep, important metrics for making educated and confident trading decisions. And so we have over 40 metrics.
And what metric is, so there's lots of there's candlestick charts and there's the traditional stuff. Are you using new things that help people in a way that traditional data analysis doesn't? And can you speak to those?
We are. So cryptocurrency markets are very different from traditional markets and also very similar in a lot of ways. So we pull in a lot of traditional financial analysis that you see in the general stock market. So you have a lot of risk-adjusted analysis and a lot of comparative analysis that really helps hedge funds and institutional investors better understand sort of this new frame. But we also provide different metrics that are very specific to cryptocurrencies in general. And so one of my favorites is actually dealing with Metcalfe's law. And so
And can you explain what that is for everybody?
Yeah, I absolutely can. It's basically looking at the on-chain transactional usage information. So not just how many people are trading this cryptocurrency back and forth, but how many people are actually using the cryptocurrency for what it was built for. And with that, you can actually get a very, very strong price correlation. And so it just gives traders a lot more confidence in where the price is going relative to how useful is it as an actual product.
And does that change a lot day to day? Like lots of people use it on Monday and then no one uses it on Wednesday, or?
It really depends on the cryptocurrency. Some of them do change a lot day to day, which is really just a better indicator for the price. But then others are just not very well correlated. So I hate to say it's situational, but it is. But it allows us to really have a wide range for this one particular metric, anywhere from a 99% correlation to, I think our lowest is about a 30% correlation. So for those ones, I wouldn't really use it, but for the high,
and I don't want to say anything the SEC won't like, but so then it is very valuable to have up-to-date daily correlations because it's a constantly changing market and your models can follow all of that.
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. So what gives your team the background to be able to accomplish something like this?
So we're a small team, but we actually have a very specialized background. My background is in traditional finance, and so I started my career in venture capital and private equity and learning all about investments and how that works, and then I kind of switched a little bit into data science. My partner and co-founder, Christopher Smith, he actually started his career very much on the technical side, and he was the CTO of Lunar and has helped build a couple of different cryptocurrencies on the back end. And both of us just got into trading for ourselves on the cryptocurrency markets and fell in love with it, but we are really missing some of the quantitative data and the just true analysis that we wanted.
So you're turning your side hustle into your actual business.
Exactly.
Because you love doing it and you're good at it.
Exactly. And so it's just kind of a perfect fit between really finding what we wanted and what traditional investors and personal investors who are really reliant on quantitative and unbiased information wanted.
So those are your customers, traditional and personal investors. Where are you seeing different adoption and how is that going?
Ooh, it's going pretty well. We actually just entered beta about a month ago, so we're still a fairly young, growing company, and we're looking for more clients constantly to give us additional feedback of what they're looking for. But so far, institutions seem to really connect with a lot of these traditional metrics and really respond well because they now have comparisons and benchmarks that they can tell to their investors of this is where we rank, this is why we've made these decisions, and also just get a better feeling for the markets in general and display that in a good way.
Gotcha. And do they test 2 or 3 different platforms at once, or how are you beating out your competition in that regard?
So the interesting thing is, while there is some competition of people entering the space, we haven't really found anyone who encompasses all of the different metrics that we try to touch on, because people either go for very surface level or There's a couple of groups that have gone very, very technical, but they don't really speak to as broad of an audience that we do, where we've really worked hard to merge both the surface level and the deeply technical analysis into a single cohesive platform.
That's understandable by both hobbyists and crypto
Exactly.
enthusiasts alike. Gotcha. So what do you need from Block World? Are you here to find more users, to get feedback, to get investors? How can people help you?
Exactly. Well, people can help us by connecting with us if you're interested. It's www.rootmont.com, and we really are looking for just a
brought to you by your team.